guys, Johnny Pink 13, and today's video is going to be super duper exciting because in today's video we're going to be reliving like a very nostalgic moment. So before further ado, subscribe down below by hitting that red subscribe button. Please make that red subscribe button gray and hit that post notification bell button right next to the subscribe button so that way you're notified every single time I upload. Show it like a little text message saying ding 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 ding, Pink 13 just posted. Give this video a huge thumbs up and share this video with your friends and family so that way we can make the Pink family grow, and that way you could relive your friends or family members' nostalgic memories as well. And yeah, so let's get on with the video. Oh, and I also have in the description box down below links to amazing discount codes, discount links. I'm always rating updates, and yeah, check it out. I also have an eBay shop where I sell lots of goodies, lots of treasures. You're probably seeing this box and you're like, wow, this box looks pretty beaten up, because it is. I got this box back like 10 years ago, if I'm not mistaken. I think I got this box when I was like in the 5th grade, which was like 2012, which is literally I think 9 years ago. Yeah, so I've had this sitting in my kitchen cabinets for 9 years now, and I have never ever used it. Look at the DD's logo thing. It literally only cost $3, but like I just never seemed to have the ingredients at the time, and this time I made sure I had all the ingredients for today's video so that we were able to make an ice cream. Okay, so I got this back when I was like in the 5th grade. I want to say this came out probably when I was like in the 3rd grade, which was probably like 2009 or 2010. I think 2010. So this product has been out in the market for more than a decade probably now. So let's go over the boxing. This is not how your box will come. Let me make that clear. This box has been in my house for 10 years without usage. It's just collecting dust. So it shows like these kids making it. It says prepare, shake, enjoy, and it comes with a spoon. Oh my gosh, like I don't know if the spoon is still inside. Like I said, I probably used it for something else. Okay, so it's called the Personal Ice Cream Maker. It's new. It's as seen on TV products. Just shake it to make it, perfect to serve in too. Yep. And like they would like show you pictures of how you could do these at like birthday parties, and I'm not gonna lie, if you have the ingredients, this is actually like a really fun thing to do at a birthday party, because look, it literally only costs $3. So let's say most like kids' birthday parties are like 10 to 20 kids. Birthday party activity, it could also be like a goodie bag. Instead of like a goodie bag, you're like, here, have a personal ice cream maker instead. And like what kid wouldn't love that? And it's more permanent than like candy. So I really suggest you, if you're able to find these at a very inexpensive price, then these are actually a very good party favorite, a very good party activity. Not even just for kids, for everyone in general. So it says kids, moms, dads, the whole family can shake it to make it with ice cream magic, and it's fun. Now you can make fresh homemade ice cream anywhere, anytime. Also great to serve ice cream, sorbet, Italian ice, and keep them cold. So it's made by the company Idea Village. So this is mine. It's in the color pink, and it's super cute. Look, it's like a little vanilla ice cream cone. Not vanilla, it's a little cute ice cream cone. And look, after 10 years, the logo is still there. It's still intact, and it's in the cutest baby pink color ever. So we open this up, and look at the inside swirls. And then it comes with this little lid, so that way this part doesn't get like all messy. And then it comes with this. This is where you're gonna make the ice cream. And then right here in this part, that's where you're gonna put the ice. Inside the box, it also came with a recipe book. So it says recipe and instruction guide right here. This is targeted for kids, but in all honesty, I think that this is also like a fun activity for everyone, because like who just doesn't love the idea of just making your own ice cream at home? And it's also like a little fun idea to do with your friends and family also as well. Like I said, at a party, it doesn't necessarily have to be like at a kid's party, and it's even healthier that way, because that way you're actually knowing what exactly it is you're consuming. So it says ice cream magic makes fresh soft serve ice cream in about 3 minutes of continuous shaking. Shake for an additional minute or so for a firmer consistency. Okay, so it says minimum 3 minutes if you want like a soft serve, but if you want like a little bit more firmer ice cream, then more time. Stir in the ingredients after ice cream is set to consistency you prefer. So the harder you want your ice cream, that's the more you will shake. After serving, Each serving is about 1 large scoop of ice cream. Thoroughly hand wash all parts with warm soapy water before first use. What you will need, it says you'll need a measuring spoon, a measuring cup, salt, ice, and ice cream ingredients. So it says do not use in microwaves, use with adult supervision, do not use sodas or carbonated drinks, do not use liquids with low sugar or low fat content because it will take longer to freeze, so they're already warning you. So for best results, use crushed ice. Use very cold ingredients. Pre-mix the ingredients before placing into the ice cream magic. Care and cleaning, hand wash only, do not dish wash. If the freezing bowl is difficult to remove from the ice chamber after making ice cream, fill the bowl with warm water and allow it to sit for a minute. The bowl should easily remove from the ice chamber. Okay, it says how to make ice cream. Remove the cover lid, the ingredients lid, and the freezing bowl. Fill ice chamber with ice to the upper indicated line inside the cup. Do not overfill. I want to believe that the indicated line is this one right here. And since it said that it is preferable if it could be crushed ice, like I told you guys, I do not have crushed ice. I have ice cube trays. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be popping them out, and I'm going to be filling it in this Ziploc baggie, and we're going to be crushing the ice ourselves. I'm going to put like 7 cubes. So we crushed the ice, not every single bit, but we did crush a lot of it, as you could see. Okay, you guys see up to the line, so we're able to close it. Add 4 tablespoons of table salt. This is how it looks inside. Add 4 tablespoons of water.
It's easier to just use bottled water since the bottled water has the little thing, the little where the mouth is. So it's just easier to do measurements. Oh, my ice is not melting. 1, 2. We need 2 more. 3. 1 more. And 4.
Okay, so this is how it looks like. Can you guys see that? Yeah. Place the freezing bowl over the ice chamber. Add ice cream ingredients to the fill line of the freezing bowl. Okay, so now it's time to go to the ice cream recipes. So it says 1/4 cup of heavy whipping cream. Next ingredient, it says we need 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Let's see when this cakes.
I want to feel the vanilla, so it says use more or less to your liking. So I shall put 2.
And now it says 1 tablespoon of sugar. And that is our last ingredient. Firmly place ingredients lid over freezing bowl. Be sure lid is secure. Twist the cover lid secure. Be sure lid is secure. Shake continuously for 3 minutes. If consistency is not to your liking, shake for more additional minute or so. Repeat steps 1 through 10 through each batch of new ice cream. So I've actually shaken this for 5 minutes because I just wanted to like make sure. I wanted more of like an ice cream texture. I'm gonna be opening it up right now and I'm gonna be seeing if I like the texture, if I think that it's a little bit too soft, because I want ice cream. Like it says that like the last time it's more like a soft serve, but I want ice cream. So hopefully that is what I got in 5 minutes. It is an arm workout as you saw. So let's see the magic. 1, 2, 3. Oh my gosh, guys, look at it. It does taste like ice cream. It's a little bit on the softer side. It's like a soft serve. Let me shake it up for like 2 more minutes. Okay guys, so 2 minutes have passed and I really like the flavor of how it tasted with just 5 minutes. So hopefully it got a thicker texture with 7 minutes of being shaken. Okay, so it's a very soft ice cream. As you can see, it's very creamy. It's not liquidy at all whatsoever. And it actually tastes like an ice cream. So it doesn't get like super rock hard like any regular ice cream, but it tastes just like ice cream. I promise you that. You're really gonna love the taste. I really recommend you guys getting this. Look at the texture of it. I mean, yes, it is firm. It's not drippy, like I said. This is not like just some gimmick that's gonna make your milk like, you know, it actually coagulates your milk. Is that the word? Look at it. Look, that's like that milky ice creamy texture. It literally tastes just like ice cream. Like I promise you, it tastes just like ice cream. I recommend it. Only thing is that you could like be shaking it probably for like 10 minutes and it's not gonna get like that super hard ice cream texture. So that's why when they say it's like a soft serve, it's more like a soft serve but tastes just like an ice cream. So yeah guys, I had lots of fun doing this for the first time in 10 years since I first got the product. So see you very, very soon. My MERMAYNICORN, if God permits. Bye.
Guys, you could also add toppings like coconut flakes. You could add your own syrups. For example, a recipe could be instead of vanilla extract, you can use coconut extract, and you could put like shredded coconut as a topping. You could do endless creations. All you gotta do is like sort of twist up the recipe and you got your own unique recipe that's not necessarily in their recipe book. So yeah.